Okay guys, so I'm having this error. Let me run my app. I'm having this a build only device cannot be used to run this target. Please select an available device or choose a simulated device as a destination. So as you can see, I have this selected, but I'm having the same issue. Now, let's go ahead and show you how easily it is to fix this error. So, the problem is not because I don't have simulators, so if I come down here to new, as you can see, I have all sort of simulators here, but for some reason, as you can see on my screen, I just launched one of the simulator, and for some reason I'm getting this. So the problem is your deployment target. So as you can see, if I come down here to general under minimum deployment, you can see it's ISO 18.0. So if I come down here and change it to, let's say, a lesser one, let's say, what should we choose? So if I come down here and select 17, for example, and then we come up here and say, let's say we want to choose. Now you can see I have a whole bunch of simulators here listed here. So what we want to do is run with this one, the iPhone SE. Let's try this one, and then let's run our app and see if it's gonna work. So let's do this. First of all, let me see if I can open it. So I'm going to click on this. Let's wait and see if we're going to get the same. Okay, now it's working. Now it's working. All right. Okay, so now it's working. As you can see, it's trying to build the app right here. And yeah, so that's how you resolve that error. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.